Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a Google Drive link to share files. Let's dive in. Google Drive is a popular cloud-based storage service that enables users to store, share, and collaborate on files seamlessly. First, log into your Google account and navigate to Google Drive. Click on Drive to access your files. Once logged in, you'll see the main interface of Google Drive. Now, select the file you wish to share. You can also locate your desired file by using the search bar here in Google Drive. Once you've found the file you wish to share, simply right-click on it. From the menu, here, you can choose the sharing settings for the file. You have the option to make the file public, share it with specific individuals, or keep it private. If you wish to share the file with specific individuals, you can enter their email addresses in the Add People and Groups section. Afterward, click on the Copy Link button to copy the link to your clipboard. Once copied, you can paste the link into an email, chat, or any other messaging app to share the file with others. That's how you can create a Google Drive link to share files. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.